Hey YouTube, this is Jaden from Shadow Strike coming at you with a tournament report. We just had our locals here on April 20th on a Saturday here at Alien Games Jinx. I played my end deck with a couple changes. I'll post an updated deck profile today if I feel like it. But I have some packs here from my winnings that I thought I'd share with you. So let's see what I got. Shit. I see shiny. Bedivere. Yay me.
Sounds like you're not enthused.
More shit. More shit. More shit. God. Man, this is a fail. There better be an SP or something in here. More shit. 4 packs left. Out of 6 packs so far, this has been the only good thing. And I have too many. We got a Star Call Trumpeter, which will go straight in the trade book. And more crap. Last pack. And more crap. That was the worst 10 packs that has ever been opened in the history of Vanguard. Oh. So, out of 10 packs, that's an epic fail. Both of these will be for trade, so if you have any interest in them, PM me, and I'll probably just send them to you because I hate these cards. But anyway, comment, rate, subscribe. I'll post an updated deck profile of my end deck here in a little bit if I feel like it. I went undefeated, 2-0 everybody except one person. So, anyway, thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe to this channel. See y'all later.